Are you drowning in debt and looking for a way out? Do you dream of financial freedom? In this video, I'll guide you through practical steps to get out of debt in 2024 and start building a financially free future. Step 1 is understanding your debt. Make a list of all your debts, including the amounts, interest rates, and minimum payments. This gives you a clear picture of where you stand. Next, create a realistic budget. Track your income and expenses to find out where your money is going. Look for areas where you can cut back. Before aggressively paying down debt, build an emergency fund of $1,000, for instance, to cover unexpected expenses. This prevents you from falling back into debt. In addition to that, choose a debt repayment strategy that works for you. The Snowball method focuses on paying off the smallest debts first for quick wins, while the Avalanche method targets debts with the highest interest rates to save more money on interest. Increasing your income can accelerate your debt repayment. Consider taking on a side job, freelancing, or negotiating a raise at your current job. Additionally, cut unnecessary expenses. Cancel unused subscriptions, cook at home, and shop for sales to free up more money for debt repayment. Avoid accumulating new debt. This might mean using cash instead of credit cards to avoid impulse purchases. If you're struggling, seek professional help. Credit counseling services can provide guidance and help you create a plan to manage your debt. Once your debt is under control, start planning for financial freedom. Set long-term financial goals, begin investing, and build your savings. Getting out of debt takes time and discipline, but with a solid plan, you can achieve financial freedom. Start today and take control of your financial future. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more financial tips, and share your own debt-free journey in the comments below. See you on my next video. Bye bye.